Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to feed wild animal fox in Heartopia. In this Heartopia, there's a quest or daily activity where you can feed wild animals, and one of them is the fox, and you can find this animal at these locations. This one at the near Freedom Lake on the flower field like this. Just find its trough like this and then just tap on it, and then in here just remember every wild animal in Heartopia has its own favorite weather and favorite food. And for this frog, its favorite weather is rainbows, and its favorite foods is meat, and then European birds fish and largemouth bass. And this favorite weather and favorite food will make it grow faster. So make sure you feed it during its favorite weather or give it its favorite food. Like for example, in here I want to feed it with with the European birds. This one. And then I will give it meat too, like this. And then just simply tap on feed, like this. And then after feeding it for some time, you will usually receive a random reward, so don't forget to check back and keep feeding it consistently. Usually the reward will be spawned at the 6 a.m. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.